In this video, we want to showcase how to use hyperlinks into a macro to either, for example, open a website or simply to open a file. So it could be a picture, a PDF, any kind of file really, as long as you can open it yourself once it's on your laptop. We can probably do it also in a hyperlink. So the idea to use that hyperlink function is to have a variable, for example, called myLink as string. So the first thing is to always set it up. So myLink equals, and here I just put a URL for Amazon.com, for example. And so to open the hyperlink, we're going to use ActiveWorkbook.FollowHyperlink, and then we use our variable myLink to make sure it opens in a new window. And here we're going to actually use a link to a PDF file just to open this PDF file. So I'm just going to launch the macro here. And as you can see on my screen at the moment, Amazon.com just open here, and my PDF just open on the second tab also. So as you can see, both links worked, and they were both of different nature. So you can really just play around with this to open things for your user on the screen. And so the way to do it is always to use ActiveWorkbook.FollowHyperlink.